In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tickets to the backlog in Jira. If you're new to Jira or just need a refresher on organizing your tasks better, this walkthrough will be perfect for you. We'll be focusing specifically on the Scrum board setup, so let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to your Scrum board. If you're managing tasks or tracking project progress using the Agile Scrum methodology in Jira, the Scrum board is where you'll spend most of your time. It's a visual way to see all your tasks laid out in columns like to do, in progress, and done. But sometimes, not all tasks should stay in the current active sprint, and that's where moving them to the backlog becomes useful. Once you're on your Scrum board, you'll notice a prominent tab at the top labeled Backlog. This is where you'll find all the tasks that aren't currently active or prioritized for your present sprint, but might be tackled in the future. Clicking on this Backlog tab is an essential step, as it takes you from your current active sprint view into the planning area where you can manage future tasks. Now, to actually move a ticket or issue to the backlog, it's as straightforward as dragging and dropping. Locate the specific issue you want from your list within the active sprint. You'll then click and hold on that issue, don't let go yet, and drag it over to the backlog section. Once you hover it over the desired location in the backlog, simply release the mouse button to drop it into place. It's instantly moved from the current sprint, so you can seamlessly manage what's being worked on and what's planned for later. One helpful tip while doing this is to make sure you're clear on why an issue needs to move to the backlog. Maybe it's due to reprioritization or unexpected roadblocks. Whatever the reason, moving tasks to the backlog helps you keep your sprint focused and manageable without overloading your team's capacity. And there you have it, a quick guide to moving tickets to the backlog in Jira on your Scrum board. Using these steps, you can better organize your tasks and ensure your team always knows what's in the pipeline and what's currently being tackled. Organizing this way not only keeps your project on track, but also helps maintain clarity and focus for your team. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workflow in Jira. Until next time, keep those projects moving smoothly.